Hey Ring neighbors, today we're walking you through how to set up alarm professional monitoring for your Ring Alarm or Ring Alarm Pro at your business. Alarm professional monitoring is available to neighbors in the US and Canada and is designed to help in emergency situations. The service includes 24/7 police, as well as medical response with calls from the Ring Alarm Monitoring Center. Once you have your Ring Alarm or Ring Alarm Pro and subscribe to either the Ring Home Standard Plan or the Ring Home Premium Plan, you can then enroll in Alarm Professional Monitoring. To enroll, open your Ring app and tap the three lines in the upper left-hand corner. Select Settings and then select Monitoring. Now choose Complete Sign Up to get professional monitoring. Review the information on the screen and then tap I agree to proceed. Select Business, then Confirm. Setting up professional monitoring is similar for homes and businesses with a key difference that smoke and carbon monoxide monitoring is not supported. You might be asked to type the nearest cross street and select Continue again. Cross streets are the nearest intersection to your business. Providing this information can help emergency responders find your location faster. Now you're ready to set up monitoring. First, review the information on the screen, then click Get Started to begin. Next, you'll add the business name, the owner's first and last name, and the owner's phone number. Now you'll add a primary contact, usually the business owner or person who will manage the Ring account. Your Ring app will ask you to also provide the names and phone numbers for up to 3 emergency contacts. The Ring Monitoring Center will contact these numbers during an alarm event. In choosing an emergency contact, remember that this person must do the following: answer calls from the Ring Monitoring Center, know your verbal password, and be able to access the monitoring location within 15 minutes to an hour, depending on your local requirements. Know how to disarm the alarm and know your 4-digit access code. Let's take a moment to explain the difference between an access code and a verbal password. The 4-digit access code is used to arm and disarm the alarm system using the keypad. It is unique to each user. The verbal password is the same for all emergency contacts and is used when the Ring Monitoring Center calls. The verbal password is used to confirm the emergency contact's identity and to cancel the request for help and confirm everything is okay. Your emergency contact should be able to make a decision on your behalf if emergency responders are dispatched to your business. You can change your emergency contacts anytime in the Ring app or on ring.com. Let's set up your first emergency contact's name and phone number. You can choose your primary contact or a new contact as your first emergency contact. If you change your first emergency contact, the Ring Monitoring Center will use the new contact information instead of the Ring account owner's information. When you're ready to save, tap Save and Continue. Depending on your business location, you might be required to type a second and a third contact. Once you finish entering your contacts, tap Save and Continue. Next, type in a verbal password. Select a word or number that you and your emergency contacts will remember. Your emergency contacts will be required to provide the verbal password to cancel a request for emergency dispatch. Once you've settled on your verbal password, select Continue. You will now see a screen that says Congratulations. Review the information and select Continue. Take a moment right now to add Ring Monitoring to your phone contacts so you can recognize a call from the Monitoring Center. Be sure to provide this number to anyone you've listed as an emergency contact and ask them to add the number for the Ring Monitoring Center to their contacts. Also, remind your contacts to always answer calls from this number. Once you've completed these steps, you should receive a Welcome to Ring Alarm Professional Monitoring email. In many locations, permits are required for police and emergency dispatch. Here's what to expect. After signing up for Ring Alarm Professional Monitoring, you will receive an email letting you know if you need a permit. You can always add or update your permit number in your Ring app from the dashboard. Tap Settings, then tap Monitoring, and then tap Permits. Here you can enter your permit information from your municipality. Before we wrap today, let's talk about accidental alarms. At Ring, we understand accidental alarms can happen with your alarm system, including forgetting to disarm before entering the building. We've developed some great features to not only help prevent these accidental alarms, but to also get you comfortable with your alarm system. With Alarm Professional Monitoring, you have the option to put your system into practice mode whenever you like. We've provided a link with the details on this feature in the video description below. Now, here are a few quick tips on how you can prevent accidental alarms. Be sure to adjust the entry and exit delay settings to give yourself time to enter and exit the business without setting off the alarm. Make sure to test your motion sensor sensitivity settings for your business environment. Want more information? Check out our Help Center and Ring community on ring.com. With Ring, you're always home.